Alright, now then guys, something different from the channel. How about this baby? Yeah, Lister D. Not entirely sure of the year yet. I bought it as a non-runner. Splatters a bit, but it don't run. It looks like it probably was fixed up a few years ago, and needs fixing up again now. But this is the 100th anniversary year of the Lister D engines, so I couldn't resist getting one if I could, and one was available locally, so I went and got it. But there's bits and bobs need doing. I mean, it definitely needs a proper overhaul. I don't know about engine wise, but there's no fuel tap. Fuel leaking there. I mean, wants a proper paint up, good scrape down. Paint, notice all the paint's cracked, all rusty. It's got a nice tank. It has got a nice tank, and it's got a nice brass cap. There's a greaser missing there. Should be a greaser in there, because apparently I haven't took it off yet, but inside here is the rocker cover. This is the rocker cover, and inside there is the rockers, and they need to be greased, and that's the greaser. So the greaser's missing there. This is the water drain tap, but that's the wrong one. So I've ordered another one of them. I'll probably change the plug, but they're quite large. These are 18mm plugs, so I'm gonna have to look for another 18mm plug, so it looks so it's in keeping with you know, the period. You can get an adapter, so 18 to 40mm plug, so you put the adapter in, you can use the normal NGK or Bosch. But I think really for a period, wants to be a champion, period plug to make it all in keeping. But yeah, so look, you know, wants a good redeck. But there's a drain plug down the bottom there for the oil. This is where you check your oil. It's got a huge flywheel, weighs a ton. The graphics are going like little stickers, but because I'm going to repaint it, so I'm going to have to order some new stickers. What else can I tell you? Seems to have some markings on here. I can't really see what that says. Not which sure way around it is, but there's definitely something on there on both sides. That looks like it definitely says ST something. This is a choke. ST, you would have thought that meant start, but I don't know. No, it's stop. Look, is it? I don't know. It says something on there. It looks like STO. I don't know what the other one. I can't see what the other one says. And then the other one, what does this say? Can't really see. I can't make that out. That's quite clear, but I still can't make it out. Normal? Looks like normal. Yeah, so I don't know if that's come from the factory or someone stamped that in afterwards. But I'll probably take the carburetor off, put it in a sonic bath. This broke here, so, yeah. But that's adjustable. This is the that's been chrome plated by the looks of it. I don't know if that was like that from new. This is the tickler. You tickle that, and when the fuel starts coming out, you've got your fuel up. I don't think there's much. Oh, there's a bit of fuel. Yeah, I'm not sure there's much fuel in it, but yeah, that's what you do to start it. You set that completely anti-clockwise. Tickle the carb till the fuel comes out, so you know you're up to level. So that's about right there. Really, all this, everything wants adjusting. This is must adjust the speed, the pressure of the carburetor. This is the governor. There's an oiler there for the governor who wants to clean up. But it's an interesting project. I'm quite looking forward to it. There's the magneto, your ignition cable. I'm quite looking forward to it. Wants a good scrub, rub down, wire brush, probably some paint remover. I've got a little mini angle grinder, mini grinder, and I think that will get that paint off quite nicely. But a nice project, especially 100 years since these were made, and they made 250,000 of them. So there was a popular engine, and you go to these steam rallies, and there's always stationary engines. There's always some of these. So I'd like to get this running like a Swiss watch, and get some sort of something I can run it off of, like a water pump or something, so it can actually do some work. But yeah, it's just a first look. What else can I tell you? Yeah, it's just there's something for me to tinker about with, as if I haven't got enough. But yeah, these are the all the talk of the town at the moment. I know Okmo have just done a Chinese mini version, which is quite popular at the moment, and this is the real thing. The real thing. So leave it here, and as I do bits and pieces to it, when I first get it started, I'll do a video. But that's just me listed the first look at this restoration, because this will be a little restoration project. Interesting, very interesting. Another old style engine. I think they're 1926 they come out. Sent them all around the world. There's a couple of good videos on. I think Ade's just done a really nice video on Listed D with some AI animation. It's really impressive video. Ade Walsh, look up his videos. Done a lovely animation of the history of Listed D. I enjoyed watching it, and it was quite an impressive video. Yeah, so leave it with me. This is something to play about with. But yeah, I like the old school stuff, and it don't get much better than this. Cheers, guys.